Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So lovely to see everybody. I'm back as a whole new family. I've added 2 more since you last seen me, I think, properly. So we've got little man here, he's gonna be 2, and we've got another little man there who is a few weeks old. So today's video, I'm here with the whole crew. Yeah, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Got sent this package from TinkererBox STEM box. So it's a subscription box where there is like defiance experiments and stuff like that. So they've sent us this. We're really excited. We're gonna open it on camera. Yeah, let's do it, guys. Help, 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 help. That's it. Come here. Boom. So this is what it looks like on first glance. As you can see. And these are the things that are in the box. It's called a water blaster, and as you can see, it's recommended for age 6+, but where am I gonna send this little one? So he has to be here. So okay, let's open it.
Yeah.
All right, it's looking exciting. Are you guys excited? So guys, as you can see, they are on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. I will tag them down below, so go in the description and you'll see all their details. Go on. So this is a water blaster.
Yeah.
Instructions. Beverly, are you gonna be in charge of the instructions?
Yeah. And
This is a book.
and
Read, learn, make and play. Okay, this is a little book. Look, it's animations, like very interesting, guys. We love books in this house, so they'll love this. So what are the materials in the box?
So the materials are wooden parts.
Do we have that? So we have to check, yeah?
Yeah.
Wooden parts, check.
Yay!
What else?
This 2 one-way wheels.
Oh, well done, Mama. We've got it.
And then syringe.
I think it's in there, right? The syringe. So we've got the tubes. How many are they? They don't say.
No.
Okay.
And then bottle.
Also here.
And then the box.
I think they're in here. Yeah.
And then plastic spacer.
Yeah, step 1. We're gonna measure the tubing, right? Yep. So let's do it. So let's start with the 2. So cut the 2 centimeter, right? Yeah?
Nope.
Yeah. 20, right? 18, 10, and 2. Insert a one-way valve onto a piece of tubing with the V-shaped rubber part.
That's me, Mommy.
Right? Wrap a balloon over the other end one way. Where's the balloon? Papi, no, don't.
This one.
Give me the balloon.
Daddy.
So we're going to press it. Yeah, let's be working.
How much do you have to press it before it blows up? Like just what? Well done. Well done, Papi.
Yeah, Papi, press it.
Yeah, well done.
We cut it. Now let's secure the other side.
Yeah.
Give me the other one.
And balloon.
Let's go.
Where's what? Oh, look at this.
Yeah. Guys, so thank you so much for watching the video. It was so much fun. They've put smiley things ready for the next day. That's the water blaster that we've made from here. So it was really fun. Thank you once again, Tinkerer, for sending this over. I'm going to link their social media and their website in the description down below. Make sure you go get it. So it's subscription box. It's really amazing. It's really great for the little ones. They feel like little scientists. I've enjoyed it myself. My husband enjoyed it as well. It was a lot of fun. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you know when I post. I'm going to be posting more now. I'm back. And comment below what do you want to see next from us, because we're gonna go outside to blast. Okay guys, so we're going back in the house because it's raining. So we're gonna do the experiment where?
In the house.
Who wants to shoot first?
Me.
Excellent. Sorry.
I'm trying to. No, I can move it. Yeah.
Are you close to the... Mama, is she aiming well? Can do more, right?
Yeah, we can.
Until my next video. See you later. Goodbye.